So here's a quick walkthrough of the WORX AIRWORX 55T compact upgrade kit. That's going to take you from your original 55T at 1.96 metres and turn it into this nice unit at 1.75 metres. So let's have a look at it. So guys, for the installation process, you're going to need a 16mm and 17mm spanner and a screwdriver. The first thing we're going to do is remove the existing silo. We're then going to take our new compact silo with the filter rack and deflector cone and lift it gently into place on the vacuum. Now we need to line up the holes on the hinges. Put the original bolts back through, but remember there is a washer that goes in between them. Now gently tighten these bolts, but not too tight. Now you can check the latches on the back to make sure they fit nicely. They may need adjustment, winding in or out. Once they're lined up, pull them down. At this point, you can now tighten the bolts on the front of the hinges fairly firm, enough so the silo can still be flipped over. After this, we can remove the silo hose off your original silo. It will need to be trimmed down to fit the new compact silo. That completes the installation. So there you have it guys, the WORX AIRWORX 55T compact upgrade complete. Now you're going to enjoy better transportation, better storage, compact height. You're still going to have your 20% extra filter area for suction. So please, if you've got any questions, give our team a call, we'll be happy to help.